So guys, for the first step, you want to go into desktop mode. So I'm going to click on the Steam button. Now I'm going to scroll down to power and then select switch to desktop. And now this will come up. And now once we're on desktop mode, we're going to open up the Discover app. So on our taskbar in the bottom left, it looks like a blue shopping bag icon. This one right here. You want to click on that, which will now open up Discover. And now this will come up. And now once we're on this, you want to select all applications, this one right here. And now you want to search for an app. So in the top left, you want to click right here. Now you want to click on X on your Steam Deck, which will now pull up the keyboard. You want to type in Disk Usage Analyzer. You want to search for that, disk. And then you want to click on the right trigger on your Steam Deck, which is now going to search for it. And we can now move the keyboard out of the way. And now here it is, Disk Usage Analyzer. You want to install this. So you want to click on it. And then it should be saying like install right here for you. I already have it installed, so that's why for me it says launch. But you want to install Disk Usage Analyzer. Once you install it, you want to click on launch. And now this will come up. You want to select home folder. It's now going to start analyzing your storage. Wait for this to load. And now once this loads up, it's going to be telling us what's taking up the most storage. So for me, currently, most of my storage is being taken up in both local and desktop. I'm going to open up local first. Now I'm going to open up share. And I can see right here that in my trash bin, 28 gigabytes are being taken up. This is actually quite a lot of space. So I'm actually going to go to my trash bin and I'm going to empty it so I can free up my storage. So basically, this application is going to show you what's taken up all of your storage space and where you can find it and where you can delete it. So for me, I'm now going to go to my trash. So I'm going to open up File Manager. Now I'm going to select trash. I've got all these files in here, so I'm just going to delete all of them as it's taken up 28 gigabytes of data. So I'm going to highlight it, right click on it, and then select delete. I'm going to delete it. This has now freed up 28 gigabytes of storage on my Steam Deck. And now that I've freed up the space, in the top right, I'm going to click on refresh. It's now going to rescan everything. And now if I open up local again, and I open up share, I don't see trash anymore because I've deleted everything in my trash, which has now freed up the space. So yeah, just go through this app and then see what you can delete. There's also a bunch of stuff on my desktop, and if I don't need it, I can remove that, and it's going to free up space for me as well.